Let's paint some cute witches for Halloween. Start by placing a large green circle onto your stone. You want to put it closer to the bottom so you have room for your hat on top, and then go ahead and fill it all the way in. Next, we're going to place on our witch's hat. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do this. I like to create my triangle so that the edges of the triangle reach the outside edges of your circle. You want to bring it down onto your circle a little ways and then create the brim of your hat. Now, if you don't have a lot of space for your hat or you just want a different look, you can also make your hat fold over to one side. Now to do this, I like to place the brim of my hat on first and then start creating my triangle upward and then create this fold over. You want nice sharp lines along the top, and then you'll want some space separating the tip of the hat from the side of the hat just a little bit. Then go ahead and fill your hats in. If you want to, once your hat is completely filled in, you can add a stripe of color on your hat as well. I'm leaving mine black today, but as all of my tutorials, this is a jumping off point. You can make these your own. However you want to do it is good. Another cute little detail you could add is a little spider hanging down from the edge of the hat. This is super simple addition that you can create or leave off of your design. You'll see I did it both ways here. Next, add on a couple large black eyes. For the hair, I'm placing down white first and then coming back with my extra fine tip and making wiggly lines through it so that you kind of get some variation in your hair color, a little grayish tone to it. Have some of those hairs going wild off to the sides. You can have a few bangs popping down as well. Doodle off your pen tip so that there's no white left over, and then add a little smile to your witch. We also don't want it to just be a floating head, so a quick way to add a body is just an upside down arch, and then I'm just filling it in with a little bit of black. Also, line the bottom of your face. Next, we're going to add in our dots, and I'm going to show you this first one because I did make a mistake and I went over the edge. If you get to it quick enough, you can just grab a paintbrush and swipe that white paint right back up. I'll go back in with my black paint pen and cover up that mark, then come back and place a fresh dot. You can also single dot the eyes if that makes it easier for you. It still looks cute. We have a ton of Halloween rock painting inspiration on the page. Head to the playlist to see more.